Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to activate a Raiffeisen Bank card. When your debit card arrives, it is not active yet. This is for security reasons. Before you can use it for payments or cash withdrawals, you must activate it. First, let us look at how to activate your card using mobile banking. Open your mobile banking app on your phone. Log in with your usual login details. On the main page, you will see a product overview. Find your debit card in the list. Tap on the card to open the card details. You will see an option that says Activate. Tap on Activate and follow the instructions on the screen. The next option is activating your card using internet banking. Open your web browser and go to the internet banking website. Log into your account. After you log in, go to the main menu and select Cards. You will see your debit card listed there. Click on the card. Then click on the Activate option. Confirm the activation when asked. If you are unable to activate your card online, you can activate it with your first transaction. Take your card to a store or to an ATM. Insert the card into the payment terminal or ATM. Enter your PIN when prompted. Completing this transaction will activate your card. That is how you activate your Raiffeisen debit card. Thanks for watching.